Have you ever heard of a flower that hides in the shadows, revealing itself only to those who dare venture deep into the swamp? The ghost orchid, a rare and elusive flower, blooms for just a few weeks each year in the heart of Florida's swamps. This botanical wonder seems to defy logic, flourishing without leaves or soil. Its roots cling tenaciously to trees, drawing life from the swampy air. Bats and moths are drawn to its intoxicating scent, playing a crucial role in its pollination. But with habitat destruction looming like a specter, the ghost orchid's future hangs in the balance. It is a silent plea to protect these mystical wetlands that harbor one of nature's rarest gems.